In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to assign tasks to team members in Slack. We'll start right from your web browser and finish with a task clearly assigned to the right person, so your team knows exactly who's doing what. Begin by opening your browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Slack and press Enter. From the results, click the official Slack website to open Slack in your browser. This ensures you're in the right place, using the latest web experience. Once Slack loads, you'll be looking at your workspace. From here, open the channel where your task lives. Channels keep work organized by topic or team, so make sure you're in the conversation that contains the task you want to assign. If you work with multiple channels, it helps to glance at the channel name and topic to confirm you're in the correct thread before making changes. Next, click on your task. In Slack, tasks may appear as a message with a task preview, a card, or a pane opened by an integrated tool. Clicking it will open a detailed view, usually in a side panel or a full-page view, where you can see fields such as title, description, status, and other properties. Give the details a quick scan to confirm you're looking at the right item, especially if several tasks have similar names. Now, locate the Assignee section. This is typically labeled Assignee or Assigned to, and often shows either a person's name or unassigned. If the panel is compact, look for a Details, More, or an Expand icon to reveal all fields. The Assignee field is your control center for ownership, and it's what triggers notifications to the person responsible. Click the Assignee field, then choose the teammate you want to assign. You can usually start typing to search by name and pick the correct person from the list. Selecting the assignee updates the task immediately and, in most cases, notifies that teammate in Slack, so they know the task is now theirs. Take a moment to confirm the correct name appears in the field after selection. Clear ownership prevents confusion and keeps the work moving. Finally, glance back at the task to verify everything looks right. The task is in the correct channel, the details match your intent, and the assignee is set. That's it. You've assigned the task to a team member directly within Slack, keeping the work visible and actionable where your team already communicates. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, make sure to apply the same flow to other tasks so your channel stays organized and every item has a clear owner.